quality of life improvements in the new December update for Visual Studio Code, and more in this episode of Developer News for the second week of this year. The December release of Visual Studio Code introduces the ability to drag and drop a code profile file directly into the editor. This directly applies the profile settings. This enables a quicker opening of shared profiles. In the breadcrumbs menu on the top, there is a new context menu option to copy the path of the current breadcrumb. If you are a snippets user, there are two new snippet transformations, snake case and kebab case, to transform a string to both casing styles respectively. There are new changes to the IntelliSense experience in the terminal. Based on user feedback, you now need to press Ctrl and space to activate the IntelliSense, and it no longer activates as soon as you start typing. There were of course also a bunch of other improvements. You can read about all of them in the full changelog linked in the description. GitHub announced the deprecation of the feature that let you convert a GitHub user to a new organization. The sunset of this feature has effect immediately. GitHub recommends, if you want to change a user type, just create a new organization and transfer all your existing repositories to this new organization. The newest Insider Beta and Insider Dev releases of Windows extend the previously introduced Android Resume feature. It now also works via the Windows push notification service, so that these kind of messages can be sent over Azure notification hubs. This feature is currently still in private preview. If you want to participate with your app, you can request access from Microsoft via email. A manual on how to do this can also be found in the description. That's it for this week. Leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, and bye!